Hi, I'm Nora, your virtual guide here at Norce. Welcome to the series of videos about how to manage your product catalog in Norce Commerce. In this video, we'll go through the Relations tab and the features available there. Join me, and I'll show you. The Relations tab lets you add connectors to other products or specific variants with some context. This could, for example, be accessory products to a mobile phone, like earphones, adapters, and more, or spare parts for a lawnmower, such as air filters, spark plugs, etc. It might also be upsell suggestions, like additional services or warranties. Or it might be different matching clothing as the winter pants we see here in our example. Norce lets you easily create relations to other products from this tab. You start by searching for the products you want to connect. Check the ones you want and click Add. Choose what relation type you want. In my case, I want to add a beanie as an accessory. If the related product has variants, I can also choose between all variants or just some of them. You can read about how to set up your relation types in the documentation. You can also create relations from a specific variant instead of here at the product level. It works exactly the same. To remove a relation, all you have to do is press the X on the right side of the line and save. You can also work more effectively with product relations by using Excel exports and imports. Read more about how to do that in the documentation. Lastly, you can also build automation rules that automatically create product relations for you, depending on how you have set up your products. In that case, you will see those relations here with the name of the rules that created them, and you cannot change or remove them manually. Read about the relation automation rules in the documentation. So in summary, the Relations tab gives you a place to handle connectors between products and variants. You can link existing products or variants to the product you are on. Give the relation a context by choosing a relation type. Choose if the relation should be between product and variants, all variants, or even from a specific variant. And finally, work with many products at a time using Excel exports and imports or creating automation rules. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.